Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a common woe, the sluggish startup of our trusty laptops. But fret not, for we've got the solution right at our fingertips. The culprit? Those sneaky applications that insist on hitching a ride every time Windows boots up, slowing us down in the process. Let's uncover why our startup hits the brakes. Step 1. Open up the Task Manager. Step 2. Click on the Startup tab. Step 3. Voila! You'll see a detailed list of applications gearing up for an automatic launch during Windows startup. Step 4. Now, here's where the magic happens. Disable those unnecessary applications with a swift click. And there you have it, folks. By waving goodbye to those unwanted startup hogs, you'll be zipping through your laptop's startup like never before. Until next time, happy computing! Thanks for watching.